Does your laptop get very hot, overheating, or shuts down automatically? Then stay tuned, and this is what you need to do to rectify this issue. Get ready for 4 solutions. Hello, welcome to Yes You Can channel. So this is what you need to do. Try these methods to prevent your laptop from overheating or any issues arising. Set performance profile to balance. So you go to start, settings, system, power and battery, and then you can change it to balance. If this doesn't work, then at the back of your laptop, open and clean the fans and vents, as dust most likely clogged up over time that is preventing airflow to circulate accordingly. You can also reapply thermal paste to the CPU. And finally, by having a laptop stand will help to prevent your laptop from overheating. I hope one of these solutions has helped you. Please comment below and tell me which one has helped you, if it has. Thank you for watching.